Hello everybody, welcome back to NetGuide. This time I'd like to show you how to use find and replace in Microsoft Office Word. First of all, in Microsoft Word you can use the find and replace feature to search for specific text and replace it with other texts or formatting. Here's how to use them. First of all, let's try find. First, you need to open your Word document, and to go to find, we have two different ways. First of all, you can just go very quickly by pressing Ctrl and F together. It takes you to find. Or the second one, you go to home tab and click find. In both of them you can just open the navigation pane on the left side. On the left side of the window will be open. So here you can type the text you want to find in the search box. Let's try to find the word of find. 12 times the word of find used in our document. Of course, it highlights all the find words that have been used in the Word document. This is how we use find. Let's go to the second one, how to use replace. Again, for replace, we have two different ways. First, you can just press Ctrl H, or you can go to Home tab and click on Replace. Ctrl H. Then a new window pops up to you. Here we have two different boxes. Find what, replace with. The word that you want to find, let's say we want to change all of the words of open. Find the word open and replace with close. This is just an example. First, you need to find if there is any word. Yes, there is open. Then you need to click on replace. As you see, it changed it to replace. Again, you can click on replace. Or if you want to replace all together, you just need to click on replace all. As we did, we had two replacements. We made two replacements. Okay, we have more options. You can click on more, and here we have some options. You can tick them if you want to use them. But what important here is changing the font or format of a sentence or a title or a specific word to another format. But first of all, we need to be sure that these two boxes are empty. Okay, then we come here. We want to find what? Click on this space, this box, and go to format. Click on font. Okay, we want to find the bold word is. We click on bold and just click OK. Again, click on replace with. Click here, this space, replace with. Again, come to format, font. We want to change all bold words to bold italic. Or let's say we want to not bold it, not italic. Anyone you can choose. It depends on what you want. Let's say we want to change bold words to bold italic. Click OK. Now let's find it. On find, as you see, we have Ctrl F. We want to replace with what? Bold italic. As you see, it was changed to bold italic using replace, bold italic. Or you can just click on replace all together, replace all. We had two more replacements. Do you want to continue searching from the beginning? Yes, sometimes because we start from the middle. So we just close the window and let's see what happened. As you see, all of the bold words are changed to bold italic. So you can try the other options as you like, the one that you need or the one that you want. As you see, all the bold words are changed into bold italic. So you can try the other options, the one that you need. Thank you so much for watching the video, but please don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Goodbye.